All right, so I'm a flight school. I want to use your product. I can see that the back end is exactly what I need to make my sim work. What is the story with that? How can we get a complete package, basically, that is based on your solution?
Based on our solution, let me first introduce myself. My name is Hanne Kolen. I'm the co-founder and CEO of ProSim Aviation Research. We're a software company based in the Netherlands, and we create solutions for fixed-base training devices for both 737 and both A320 cockpits. What we believe in is that also for actually from ab initio training up until commercial pilot training, people should be flying the type of aircraft that they want to fly in the future. Our software in several setups has received AATD approval. Basically it means it has the same training credits as any other AATD, but these flight schools attract way more students because the students can fly the type that they dream of right away. So it's been used in AATDs, it has been used under EASA and FMPT2 generic simulators, which are comparable to FAA level 5s. And we believe that this segment of simulators can be used to offload level D simulators. We see students going into level D simulators who have little experience with autopilots or with CDUs, and they can all practice these instruments in a simulator that has a cost of $200 per hour rather than a simulator that has a cost of $1,000 per hour. Level D simulators will always be necessary, but we believe that every level D should be accompanied by a group of 4 or 8 smaller fixed-base simulators where students can do their preparation. Either training is going to be cheaper because of that, or it's going to be safer because people have more time to actually train. This is what we believe in, and please feel free to contact us in order to explore what we can do for or with you in a partnership.
So let me ask you a question. We have a huge current shortage of pilots. Obviously flight training, which is simulator based, is picking up. Yep. And obviously a cost-effective solution in the market today would really make a difference because, as you say, the cost is staggering for high-end simulation. So do you think that it's going to be like an opening, a new market niche for extremely professional but still relatively low-cost simulator solutions?
Yes, absolutely. If we look at what this world has looked like, there were level D simulators and there were level 4 simulators. Level 4's type-specific touchscreen devices. This is what the big TDMs were producing for this market. Everybody was happy with it because there was nothing else.
There you go, sir.
So what we believe in is that what it used to be like with level Ds and level 4s, that is no longer true for the future. Computer technology and capabilities have caught up enormously, and with our solutions that originate from the entertainment industry, we managed to get great interest from pilot training because technology has caught up. There's an enormous demand in pilots, as you have just mentioned, and with a large number of cheaper devices that can cover part of the initial training, we think that we will be much better able to cope with the pilot shortage.
Okay, so you've gone through some certification process.
Yeah.
And tell us a little bit where from, which civil aviation?
Those were both 73 and A320 devices. To begin with, under FAA as AATDs, which is a relatively low certification, but it proves that your machine works in a consistent way. AATD has recently obtained more training credits and is therefore very interesting. We have under EASA received FMPT2 generic certification, and under FAA we have also received level 5 generic certification. What the future holds for us in the sort of medium term is that we will be looking at level 4, level 5 type specific for Airbus.
Okay, well that really wraps it up. Thank you very much for that.